Heyo, how's it going, everyone? It's a beautiful day. Welcome to another van build episode. One might say it's a pretty good day to put on a window. So I'm gonna put on my side window so I can have some nice views while I'm cleaning my dishes, so it's not as sad. And also some nice views while I'm working on my desk. So yeah, this is gonna be the side window right behind the driver's seat. And I'll show you a little bit more, and we'll try to go into all the things that we need and how I did everything, and I'll link everything in the bottom as per usual. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm pretty stoked. Okay, now I'm going to try to go left to right with the order that I'm actually going to use the items to install the window. First is going to be a drill to make the pilot hole. That pilot hole is going to be used to insert the jigsaw and then drive the jigsaw all the way around from the inside. The tape is going to be used for two reasons. One, when we're actually just about to break open the sheet metal. A second reason is at the end of it, when you actually put the window on, you want to have some kind of adhesive to keep it on. Not adhesive, but some kind of way to keep it steady, and you don't have clamps like I did with the back windows. So this is going to help keep it in place while it's drying, and you don't have to hold it the whole time. After you make the cut with the jigsaw, you want to file the metal out to smoothen it out and make sure there's no pointy edges or anything like that. It's a Rust-Oleum, and that is going to be used to prevent any rust from the open metal. Then we have right next, that's going to be used to just like a window cleaner that I'm going to clean the outsides of the sheet metal where I've cut, where I'm going to be applying the primer and anything like that. So you want to make sure it's clean. I'm going to also use it to clean the windows. I have my actual sealant. So this is going to prime, putting the urethane on afterwards. I have a spray one, so I'm going to put that into a bowl and then use a paintbrush or one of these wool things and just put it all the way around. You want to put it half an inch away from the cut, and then have one steady line all the way around. You'll see when I do it. And then we have the urethane. That's going to be the last step. So I'm going to put the urethane on the window as well as the van, and that is the caulk gun that the urethane is going to fit in. Lastly, I have the suction cups. That is going to help me, help put the window up. And lastly, actually, we have the window. So I haven't opened yet. Hopefully it's not cracked. I might do some kind of opening just to make sure, it's not cracked before I actually get to it. But yeah, let's do it. I'm excited. Okay, now I officially have a big hole on the side of my van. So I cut it out with a jigsaw. I put the metal file all the way around, put on some Rust-Oleum, and then I cleaned the outside of the edges where I'm going to apply the primer and then the adhesive window weld urethane. I put the spray paint and primer inside a bowl like this, and I'm just going to use this to go around the edges about ½ inch out. Well, the video cut out, and I guess it didn't have enough time, but I applied the the urethane on all the edges, and you just do it like that, and easy enough. Now I'm gonna do the same on the window, and then just put the window on. That should be it. Forgot to record putting it on, but yeah, there it is. It is on. It looks pretty flush. I have the van on like a tilt, so hopefully that'll keep it up and keep it use gravity to kind of keep it in, leave it in for a few hours. And we're done. Hopefully the window doesn't fall off overnight when I'm not looking at it. It's I don't have like a clamp or anything, so this tape's kind of holding it up, so we'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you like where you're seeing the content, if you're helps you out your van build at all, just please like and subscribe. This is pretty fun, seeing, especially when you make some actual concrete progressions and get through each step. It feels pretty good, and you're like finally getting there. It's a long journey, but each step of the way, kind of cherish each step. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this. We'll give an update if the window falls and smashes. But until then, wipe out this freaking urethane. It's all over my pants and my hands, and I don't know. All right, later, guys. Well, congrats on making it to the end of the video. If you have any comments, questions at all, drop it below. I'll be sure to get back to all the comments and questions. And if this stuff is something you like, or if it's helpful for you in your van build, in your little journey, or big journey it is, for me at least, and you want to see how I converted it into this at the end, give it a subscribe. You'll have to see how it got from a skeleton into where it is now. And yeah, I'll see you next time.